What's going on, guys? CEO of One showing you today a nice little pebble driveway. You guys probably remember these driveways from the 60s and 70s, mostly pebbles. A lot of them are going to bounce off just because they're loose already, and we always blow them off before we put our surface cleaner on them. I'm actually treating it right now with a 2% sodium hypochlorite. That's going to go ahead and kill all this black stuff, so it'll come off nice and easy with my surface cleaner. The driveway itself belonged to a sweet little old lady. It has cracks in it, all kinds of stuff, and she just wanted to see it clean again. So here we are cleaning everything up. Looks like the soap just kicked in good. And yeah, we'll go ahead and treat all this. We're going to put our 20-inch BE yellow surface cleaner over there on there. And this thing should just come really, really clean. I say that. I did this like a year and a half ago, but it cleans up great. Go ahead and get everything out of the way, get my hoses out of the way, and put a little bit of pressure back here. Same thing here. This is the same aggregate. We treated it the exact same way, and here we go. Just going along. It's bouncing a little bit, which is fine, but it is cleaning up nice. Very, very nice. We did the inside of this pool windows for, this little pool house windows for as well. So my buddy's in there taking care of the windows. I'm out here pressure washing and knocking the camera over. And like I said, coming up great. It's going to be beautiful for her. Last summer, that is, for her to get out there with her family. But this is years and years of growth. Glioxapsomagma bacteria for sure. Probably a little bit of a few other bacterias, algae, all that good stuff. Getting a real nice soap on there with our SH and surfactant. I believe the surfactant we were using this day was a Cat 5 is the name of it. I believe it's made in shop by one of our local pressure washer people here in Birmingham, who I don't believe is even in business anymore, to be honest with you. But nevertheless, this thing's cleaning up great. We ended up washing this house. We did the windows on the exterior, and we did the all this pressure washing. She had the little driveway there. We're doing this back area here next to the house, and behind the camera over there is a nice big pool deck. It'll show up in a video in a few days. I always like to set the expectation with the customers that this stuff cleans up great. Obviously, it's been cracked for years. She's had a few repairs done with some silica. Always let the customer know, hey, we're going to be using light pressure on this. It might knock some of the silica out, but it's not going to empty it all out. But I think at this point, she was just ready for it not to be black and slippery anymore. You should know these are polished stones. They're very smooth, and when it gets wet and they have this level of growth on them, it is a slipping hazard. And this was a little sweet little old lady, so I'm pretty sure she did not want to have to mess with falling out here, living by herself and everything. But again, cleaning up great. Go ahead and show you the rest of it here. So I am rinsing here with a white tip. We're not really using this white tip to do cleaning. We're just using it to kind of rinse away what we've already loosened up here with the surface cleaner. Works out great. Going back to the ball valve just because this will let me shoot a little bit more water a little faster, and volume is key. It's not always about PSI in pressure washing. Volume is a big factor, so this allows me to rinse it really, really fast, get some of the soap and everything off, and get away from those windows so he can clean the outside. So now when I do the rest of this, I won't actually be throwing as much of the dirty water up onto his windows, which is a good thing. So again, very, very fun to clean this type of stuff just because it cleans up great. It rinses great. It looks fantastic when all the stones are nice and clean looking. Customer was very happy with this one. Like I said, we did this a year and a half ago, I believe. It was wintertime, about wintertime, right? Maybe February-ish. Still nice and cold outside, but we were out there in the sweatpants, in the hoodies, getting it done, guys. Some days that's what you got to do in this business. Last week it rained all week long and we weren't able to wash much of anything, but I did give out some good quotes. Got a couple big jobs coming up, and I got a few more I'm quoting today, so that's always nice. But I will tell you guys this: if you get a chance to wash this type of stone of any kind, driveway, pool deck, whatever, make sure to blow it off first. Get all the loose stones off with your blower, or use your ball valve and a little light pressure. Make sure you get all the loose pieces off. That way you won't have as many little rocks flying around inside your surface cleaner, because those little rocks hit that surface cleaner bar that's going around at I don't even know how many revolutions per minute. It can poke a hole in them. We've lost a couple of surface cleaners that way, or at least one or two rods I know. So, be mindful of that. Rinse everything off real good. Blow it off with a blower if you got one before you start. Before you pre-treat, before you do anything else. And then always pre-treat this stuff, because the growth really likes to get in there in the little cracks between these stones. It does not like to come out, so you really got to do your diligence to clean it up and make it look nice. Anyways, guys, looks like I got to get busy and rinse this thing down real quick. Let me know if you have any questions, comments, anything like that. Put it in the comments section. What are your thoughts about this? Have you ever cleaned this type of stone before, or driveway, or whatever you want to call it? Let us know what your experiences were. I'm CEO of One Boys. We'll see you next time.